Most of us are stuck with the fact that our communication is not good. And by communication, I mean English communication. If you're one amongst them, you need to watch this video till the end because I'm gonna tell you one simple trick how you can easily improve your communication in English, and so that you can do whatever things you have been hoping to do, whether it was to land your dream job or whether it was to talk to a girl, and for girls whether it was to talk to a boy. And you weren't able to do that because your communication wasn't that good, or your flow in communication wasn't that good. Now coming to the very basic point where the people lack in communication is that people, they know English. What they actually don't know is how to be confident while speaking English. So I'm not here to tell you that how to get confident. I'm gonna here to tell you that how you can actually improve your communication in English by doing English, by watching English. That's it guys, that's a simple trick. But before that, let me come to the point that why do you actually need to improve your communication? We live in the 21st century and the English has taken a really good boom in the society, as well as wherever you want to go or whatever you want to do in your life, whether it is from education or landing your job or doing your own business. If you're doing your own business, you have to handle clients. The clients can be from India or they can be abroad. And if your communication is good, you can speak fluently and can do whatsoever you think and whatsoever you want to do. Your communication is best, then you will get good clients and you'll get good results in your life. But the main thing lands behind that is that how to actually improve communication so that we can have our dream clients or our dream job, or we can have as much money we want. You know, the life coaches which take a lot of money to teach people how to actually speak English, they'll in the end land up giving their own handbooks out and telling people that you read it from page 0 to page 100 or whatsoever it is. You know, many people, they don't want to read, and the people still, they end up doing a lot of shitty things while doing that, and in the end they still are stuck with like where to start again, what to do. So guys, the simple trick which I'm going to tell you is that simple trick is, the trick what I'm going to tell you is, everybody is addicted to watching Netflix these days. Money Heist, everybody has watched. Game of Thrones, everybody has watched. But what people are not doing while watching these series is that they're not getting any value from them. And I'm going to tell you how you can actually learn communication by watching movies like this. First of all, you need to stop watching the movies that are in Hindi. Bollywood movies, khatam. No need to watch them anymore. They're not providing any sort of communication. The very first mistake which people do is they start watching English movies in dubbed format. Please people, don't do that. No dubbed movies, no Hindi. Just English movies in a proper format, and that also the value added movies where you can actually learn something of life or conceptual something. Good movies like Good Will Hunting, Shawshank Redemption. Many movies are there, a lot of good movies out there. You can watch them, and the really English communication is best in them. Don't watch the Indo-African American movies where they speak a lot of high-notch English, where the slang is really good. You don't need the slang, you need the flow in the communication. And the flow in the communication will absolutely not come by reading the words, fancy words I must say, from the dictionary, might be Oxford or anything else. What you need to do is, you should actually have a mindset in your head. Whenever you start thinking about something, you should be thinking and talking to your own self in English. What I mean is that whenever somebody talks to you, try to speak in English. Whenever somebody tells you to do something and you have to think about that, try thinking about it in English. Whenever you will start thinking and having thoughts about something in English, it will sooner or later become a habit. Me personally, I gave a lot of thought at whatsoever I do in my life. From day to day course, I start thinking in English. Even when you have to fight with your neighbor or you have a quarrel with anybody in your life, you can even curse them in English in your mind. There are a lot of things to learn. You can start with the basic concepts just by watching these English movies with subtitles on, where you'll be reading the subtitles down below, so that first of all you make a flow in reading the English. And when you're reading them, you'll absolutely come to know new words as well. You don't need to sit down and read a heavy dictionary for fancy words. What you need to do is just start watching English movies, the good ones, and start thinking in English. Whenever you start doing this, and sooner or later whenever it becomes your habit, your vocabulary will start improving. Because in order to reply to people or reply to anybody who is trying to talk to you, no matter you reply in Hindi, but you might think about it in English, and that's how the English starts improving. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it helped a lot, and stay tuned for more content like this. Till then, this is Rahul Kumar Verma, engineer turned digital content creator. Take care and bye bye.